What's up YouTube? Welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be building a frame, stretching, and applying an epoxy resin to the pop art piece Easy Money Las Vegas. So make sure you stick around. And if you like this video, hit subscribe. I'm Frankie Nines, and this is Art School. Let's get started. To build our frame, we're gonna be using canvas stretcher bars. You can get these at your local art shop or online. I'll leave a link in the description below for these types of supplies. Stretcher bars come with notched corners. You should be able to assemble your frame pretty easily. We're gonna put our artwork face up, figure out how much we're gonna crop off each edge. Using a ballpoint pen, I'm going to go ahead and mark the corners. Now when I flip my painting over, I can line it up to see where each corner is going to go. Next up, using a staple gun and some stretcher pliers, I'm going to staple the top and the bottom of the piece. I want to pull it tight enough to get a nice crease down the middle. Now that I've secured the top and the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and secure the sides. What's important here is to pull it tight enough to where you start seeing a diamond form. This diamond is really important because as we stretch, we're gonna move the diamond down to the corners. Now we're gonna start working our way around the canvas, setting one staple on each side, about 3 inches apart, until we get to the corners. If needed, you can go ahead and trim off the excess of the canvas on each edge, but don't trim off too much. You're gonna need it to staple. Now it's time to fold the corners. To fold the corners, we're gonna pinch and get 2 creases. Once we fold that over, we're gonna make the edge nice and flat. We're gonna tack that down. Rinse and repeat, now our canvas is stretched. Now for the fun part, we're gonna do an epoxy resin on this painting. But not just a regular epoxy resin. We're gonna add in an iridescent sparkle glitter dust to our resin to really make this painting bang. Epoxy resin comes in 2 parts, a resin and a hardener. We're gonna mix equal parts 1-to-1 with our glitter. For this piece in this size, we need exactly 1 gallon. Now that we've built up the confidence to go ahead and resin our painting, we're gonna get with it. Pouring the resin on and using a plastic squeegee, I'm gonna spread the resin around and try to get it as even as possible. Don't worry about the lumps and the bubbles. We'll burn those out with a torch later. We want to make sure we drip over the edges and cover all the corners. Now it's time to bust out the torch. Caution, be safe when you use flammables. Now that you've resined the entire piece, we're gonna let it sit for 24 hours and cure. Once this piece is cured, it is ready to hang, it is ready to bang, it is looking crazy tight. Whoa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching, catch you later.